Is ETFs the safest way for investing in gold? Any investment options where investor is not holding physical gold is safe investments for investors. If an investor has longer time horizon, he should consider sovereign gold bond known as SGB issued by the government of India from the returns perspective. As apart from ensuring safety, as you do not hold physical gold if you invest in the SGB, it also fetches you 2.5 to 3% additional return per annum, and all the returns earned through SGB is tax free if you hold your SGB till its maturity. So if you want safety with better returns from your gold investments and have long term time horizon, SGB could be the best gold investment option. From a liquidity perspective, you can exit from SGB, but if you exit before maturity, you will lose tax exemptions as it is available if you hold it till the maturity. Happy investing!